guys, and welcome back to my channel. So obviously, as you can tell by the title of this video, it's going to be like a decorate slash clean slash organize my room with me, because I just moved into my room and I need to kind of fix it, kind of organize it, and make it the dream room I want it to be. So let me give you a view over what my room looks like now. So it's very messy. So if you go here, it's just this shelf, kind of messy. My bed's messy. My favorite part of my room obviously is my little collage wall. These candles. I'm watching Criminal Minds right now. I got this organizer which has kept things pretty organized, but see that random stuff. My banner is falling. My other banner fortunately fell. My TV is here. I need to kind of hide these cords and fix them. This is the part I mostly hate about my room. It's so messy. And oh, and I have my crystal station type of thing. So yeah, it's the crystal charging station. I'm getting into that stuff. And I think it's time we fix this little mess. So yeah. So I just cleared this section out. I'm going to clean it a little bit because I want everything when I put it on, there's no dust, there's no nothing. I finished my desk. I hate it so much. It's so cluttery. It looks cluttery. I don't know. I think I might shift my TV more to the corner and then put my desk here, or I seriously don't know. Okay y'all, so I didn't really end up changing much of the desk. I just organized it, and yeah, it's pretty close to the same. Here it is. Oh, this was a vision board I made back in 2020, for 2020. So these are just crystal station and then school station, obviously. So I'm gonna show you from afar. That's how it looks like. Still not the biggest fan, but it'll do. I kept my TV the same. I didn't end up switching it. I still have a lot of mess to pick up. I put back up my banners. I need to probably put this in my closet, but I have this Starbucks, my Google, the GGD Cup March Vogue cover, the Bible. These are just jewelry, my everyday lip balm. This was from the March 2021 Vogue magazine, also from the March 2021 Vogue magazine. Draco on the North got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna. Bouncing off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water glass. See cars out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bag of money, knew I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Athletic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family, they run off with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like I said, my room isn't completely done yet, but it's pretty close to it. And I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to please subscribe and get this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment down below if you want a full room tour with in-depth details. So that's all for today. Bye.